This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Hello everyone, welcome to GoTranscript. It is Monday and I'm already in my PJs at 7 p.m. You will ask me, why? Well, to be honest, it has been a long day today and I think I should keep my books at bay for now. I'm sitting on the floor because it's so hot today you have no idea. You would be like, why on the floor? What? Don't you have a bed? Yeah, silly me. Anyway, I'm on YouTube now and guess what I'm listening to? It's a Nomad capitalist, aka Andrew Henderson. This guy has recently renounced his original citizenship. Many of us would be like, is he nuts? Well, as far as I understand, his life motto is go where you're treated best. He promotes the concept of global citizenship. What is global citizenship, you would ask me? Mr. Henderson pretty much talks about the nomadic lifestyle and living between a few countries. He states that there is no single best country in the world, so every country has its advantages and disadvantages.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Anyway, how is that concept of global citizenship useful nowadays with the global pandemic going on? I wonder what the situation will be like in the next 6-7 months and whether I will be able to go back to Ushuaia, the resort town in Tierra del Fuego, which also has a nickname of End of the World all around the globe. It is beautiful there and I cannot wait to be able to go back to this town, which before this coronavirus situation was one of the most touristy hubs in Argentina. You would be like, where are you now? Well, I'm stuck in the US at the moment.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Many of us feel so much uncertainty and suffer from anxiety nowadays. How should we overcome this? Sometimes I like to talk to therapists. For instance, BetterHelp is an excellent way to seek for help. It is an online portal providing affordable counseling services through a direct web-based interaction with a specialist. It is a private company founded by Alan Matas in 2013. Its headquarters are in the Mountain View, California. However, since it is purely online, BetterHelp serves customers from all over the world. This service costs between 40 to 70 US dollars weekly and there is no contract, meaning you are free to cancel at any time. By the end of 2018, it has already had more than 30 million sessions in total. Moreover, to keep my sanity, I feel that I have to move around quite a bit. Exercise is an essential part of my happy and productive day. Happy and productive day in my life. I enjoy swimming and biking the most. There are quite a few lakes around my house in Finland. For instance, there is a lake called Kalevesi, Kallavesi. It is going to be warm tomorrow, so I will go swimming as soon as I wake up at around 7ish.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.